Learn English to Hindi tech words, computer to
call,
with.
computer,
Welcome to your tech adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi tech words without sounding like a confused toaster. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat after me. Today your mission is simple. Learn 8 everyday words in Hindi. You will meet computer, handy, internet, app, password, email, message, and call. In Hindi, they are
computer, आसान, internet, app, password, email, संदेश,
and.
call.
If a word feels long, that is fine. Your brain is not broken. It is just warming up like an old router. Meet the gadget gang. Let us meet the main characters. Imagine them all living together in one slightly dramatic digital apartment. First comes the star of the desk.
Computer.
The computer is on the desk. In Hindi.
Computer.
Meza para hai. Then enters the friendly helper word, handy.
आसान.
Think of something useful and easy. If a trick saves your day, you can think, ah yes, very.
आसान.
Now the apartment gets online with.
Internet.
The internet connects everything, including your curiosity and your procrastination. On your phone, one shiny icon says.
App.
That is app. Tiny icon, huge power. Sometimes too much power. 1 minute you check the weather, and 3 hours later you are watching a video about a dancing goat. To enter the digital kingdom, you need.
Password.
Password. A secret key. Please do not make it password 123. Even the cat can guess that. Then comes.
Email.
Email. Formal, useful, and often full of messages that begin with, just following up. A more casual message is.
संदेश.
Short, quick, and often dangerous when sent to the wrong group chat. Finally, when the phone rings, that is.
Call.
A call. Live, immediate, and slightly suspicious if it happens very early in the morning. A very normal digital morning. Now listen to a funny mini story. Your job is just to enjoy it and notice the Hindi words. I wake up, open my
computer,
and pray that the
internet
works today. Miraculously, it does. I open one
app,
then another, and suddenly my screen looks like a digital fruit salad. I try to log in, but of course I forget my
password.
Classic. I stare at the screen like it has personally betrayed me. Then I remember it, enter the
password,
and feel like a genius. A new
email
arrives, then a
संदेश,
then a loud
call.
My peaceful morning is gone. But at least this chapter is very
आसान.
so I can still learn Hindi while panicking politely. Repeat after me. Time for clean, simple repetition. Say each Hindi word aloud after the pause. Yes, out loud. Whispering to your coffee also counts. Computer.
Computer.
Handy.
आसान.
Internet.
Internet.
App.
App.
Password.
Password.
Email.
Email.
Message.
संदेश.
Call.
Call.
Mini dialogues from real life. Let us make the words useful. Here are short dialogues you can imagine hearing in daily life. A. What is this? B. This is a
computer.
A. Is there an easy way? B. Yes, this is very
आसान.
A. Do you have internet? B. Yes, I have.
Internet.
A. Which app should I open? B. Open the learning
app.
A. Why can I not log in? B. You need your
password.
A. Did you send it? B. Yes, I sent an.
Email.
A. Did you get my text? B. Yes, I got your.
Sandesh.
A. My phone is ringing. B. Answer the.
Call.
Memory tricks that actually help. Here are quick tricks to lock the words into memory. No magic required, although dramatic hand gestures are allowed. 4.
Computer.
Imagine a glowing computer on your desk asking for tea before it starts working. Ridiculous equals memorable. 4.
Asan.
Think. Handy things make life easy, so handy becomes.
Asan.
4.
Internet.
Picture a giant glowing net over the whole world. That is your internet. 4.
App.
Tap an imaginary phone screen. One tap, one.
App.
4.
Password.
Imagine a tiny invisible key opening a giant digital castle. 4.
Email.
Picture a digital envelope flying through the air and landing in your inbox. 4.
Sandesh.
Think of something sent. The sound helps. Send dash.
Sandesh.
4.
Call.
Hold your hand to your ear like a phone. Instant memory, also instant acting career. Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Now test yourself. I ask, you answer before I do. What is computer in Hindi?
Computer.
What is handy in Hindi?
Asan.
What is internet in Hindi?
Internet.
What is app in Hindi?
App.
What is password in Hindi?
Password.
What is email in Hindi?
Email.
What is message in Hindi?
Sandesh.
What is call in Hindi?
Call.
Your challenge today. Now it is your turn to use the words like a real person and not like a sleepy robot. Say one sentence with.
Computer.
Example. I use the.
Computer.
Every day. Say one sentence with.
Asan.
Example. This app is very.
Asan.
Say one sentence with.
Internet.
Example. Today the.
Internet.
Is slow. Say one sentence with.
App.
Example. I opened a new.
App.
Say one sentence with.
Password.
Example. I forgot my.
Password.
Say one sentence with.
Email.
Example. I sent an.
Email.
Say one sentence with.
Sandesh.
Example. Please send a short.
Sandesh.
Say one sentence with.
Call.
Example. I missed your.
Call.
Great job and see you soon. Nice work. You just learned a whole pocketful of practical Hindi tech words. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
Computer. Asan. Internet. App. Password. Email. Sandesh.
And.
Call.
A little every day. Repeat them, use them, and do not worry about mistakes. Practice is how words stop being strangers and start becoming friends.